if you want to install the iOS launcher on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we can open the Play Store, and then we need to search for iOS launcher in the Play Store. There we go. You should be able to find multiple different example apps, example launchers, and in this case, we're gonna use perhaps this one over here. So let's install this one, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is really easy actually. Of course, feel free to try any other iOS launcher in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. So let's press open. Now over here, we don't have to agree to the location to grant the access to location. We can agree to everything else though. And that's pretty much it. Now over here, we can also choose to make this the default launcher. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime, but we should be able to close it. Let's press OK. Now we can switch from the Pixel launcher to iOS launcher. If you see this warning message, then that's fine. It pretty much appears every time we install it. So we can just press never over here, then press got it, and there we go. We have our iOS launcher. Now, and besides that, if you go to the app library, there is a chance that you will see something like this. So you want to press OK, and afterwards open app library over here in the settings, press consent, and now we can just simply exit these settings. There we go. And now we should be able to open the app library. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.